And joining us from Boulder right now is my colleague meteorologist Keely Chalmers. And Keely, how's the wind been? Give us an overview about what you've seen so far and what you're seeing right now. It looks like it's starting to pick up.
Oh yeah, certainly. In the last, I'd say, probably about 10 to 15 minutes, those wind gusts have picked up. They're coming in waves, Chris. It'll be calm, like what we're feeling right now, and then all of a sudden, I think we are experiencing those 70, 80, 90 mile per hour wind gusts here where we are south of Boulder, actually at the intersection of Highway 93 and Marhsall Road, and you can see it is closed right now. And in fact, crews closed it down, I'd say about an hour ago, Highway 93 in both directions between here and I'd say about Arvada. In between Boulder and Golden, no question, Highway 93 is shut down. And again, I do want to just talk about these gusts. I mean, they are crazy. So if you're driving and the winds feel light, and all of a sudden one of these gusts, which is happening right now, will come up and out of nowhere when it seems calm, and very dangerous driving conditions, no question. Here's one of those gusts right now. This is what I'm talking about. Without this power pole right here, or this signal pole, I would probably be having a struggling in this wind. But again, this is what we're going to be dealing with all day long. This is what is so dangerous right now with these wind gusts. We talk about those power outages, those preemptive power outages that are happening right now in Boulder. No question, they're for safety. You get a downed power line, any type of spark, and these gusts, and a fire would just take off and spread and become incredibly destructive. But again, we're starting to see those winds, no question, start to pick up. It's these gusts that are dangerous. And of course, we've been out here throughout the morning and certainly feeling them. And I think you can see them starting to pick up right now. Of course, forecast calling for these winds to continue throughout the afternoon. We'll be out here, our crews, 9 News crews will be out here throughout the afternoon, monitoring the situation. For now, we are live in South Boulder. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. We'll send it back to you.